unfold a new landscape of microelectronics innovation. Discover the breakthrough of heterogeneous micro-dispensing on high-density and hybrid devices. Introducing N4, the new NSW full-range solder paste micro-dispenser for game-changing, all-in-one solder printing at one go. Support multiple board sizes with fast rework capabilities for any imperfection. Say goodbye to stencil reliance, saving you valuable time. To maximize possibilities, our largest micro-dispenser platform provides single board handling size up to 400mm in X and 475mm in Y direction. You can now work on JetX-supported single or dual boards simultaneously to leverage the idling time between dispensing cycles for optimal efficiency. Explore a new realm for microelectronic heterogeneous manufacturing. Dispense Type 6 solder paste, small as 80 micron in dot size. Create a borderless horizon for your device miniaturization. Now, experience the ultimate versatility as it prints solder paste on a variety of surfaces, from flat and flex to protruded, cavity, and even curvy surfaces. With NSW closed-loop weighing system, height sensors, print volume, skew, and board warpage are constantly monitored and compensated at regular intervals. Experience the versatility of N4 exchangeable pump feature. Effortlessly swap between dispense pump. Amplify your potential to unlock a wide landscape of possibilities for your application. The H-Gantry is powered by dual synchronized platform with linear motors drive on Y-axis. It comes with dual active yaw control, eliminating binding effects for unparalleled precision. Embrace limitless innovation with the new N4, your key to unlocking boundless possibilities in microelectronics. Elevate your manufacturing capability with NSW micro-dispensing solutions.